People who witnessed someone try to ruin a wedding. What happened? I'll never forget the sound of glass shattering at my own wedding reception. I was standing with my new husband greeting guests when suddenly the main doors flew open and there stood my ex from college, completely wasted, wearing what looked like yesterday's clothes. Everyone went silent as he stumbled towards us, pointing and slurring. This should have been our day. My husband tensed beside me, ready to intervene. But before he could move, my ex tripped over a chair and crashed right into the champagne tower we'd spent hours setting up. Glass went everywhere. As the catering staff rushed over with brooms, he struggled to his feet, grabbed the microphone from our confused DJ, and started telling everyone about how I'd broken his heart 5 years ago, conveniently leaving out his cheating with my roommate. My brothers tried to escort him out, but he fought them off, knocking over our cake table in the process. The final straw came when he noticed my grandmother, walked over and said, "You always liked me better, right, Nana?" She looked him dead in the eyes, stood up from her wheelchair for the first time in months, and dumped her entire glass of red wine down the front of his white shirt. "Actually," she said while sitting back down calmly, "I always thought you were an ass." Security finally removed him while my bridesmaids helped salvage what was left of our cake. The whole thing was mortifying until my husband grabbed the mic and said, "Well, free entertainment wasn't in the budget, but I'm glad we got it anyway." Everyone laughed, and somehow it became the highlight of the night.